Hey everyone, this is Michael Trethart, International Technology Instructor, and I want to let you know about a class that we have coming up on Tuesday, October 2nd. From 9 to 12, we are going to be doing a hands-on workshop titled Become Google Great. Bring your laptop, be ready to apply the techniques that I'm going to teach you. I have had agents all across the United States and Canada who have done the same session, and they walk out with over $100,000 annually added to the bottom line. They come back a couple years later and they tell me that they've made $100,000 annually each year ever since taking that class. Definitely do not want to miss out on Become Google Great. We're going to take our lunch break. We're going to come back at 12:30, and from 12:30 to 3:30, this is going to be Discover Your Facebook Goldmine. Records for this class: 63 listings in 1 hour from one agent, an $8.25 million buyer for another agent in 30 minutes. This again is another hands-on workshop that you do not want to miss. The best part about both of these classes, they are open to all real estate agents and all businesses. So bring some friends, bring some family members that run their own business, and these two classes, Become Google Great and Discover Your Facebook Goldmine, will help them to build their business as well. This is going to be held at the Irish Cultural Center. It's going to be hosted by KW Easton, and I will see you guys on Tuesday, October 2nd.